Rec. Play. In order to play, something has to be recorded. Found footage is an accepted art form. The internet is full of recordings. Freeze framing life by taking shots. Photography as a means of ownership. At the same time, a mode of crossing geographical boundaries and man-made borders, sharing experience of life at a distance. Then film came along. After shooting and capturing, recording and playing came along. And it goes forward, the play sign indicates. You can also go back, at unknown speed. RWD, forward fast, FFWD, or pause 2 in between. But you first have to record REC, then the play can follow. Archives are stacked with film. Records are only collected by a few. You play them, the needle reads them. They used to be pressed, their time came and went. A new era ushered in, one of radio and tapes, with BASF and TDK as a household name. Now rec and play have to be pressed simultaneously in order to record. Timing was crucial to capture the right part, right from the start. Then, empires teamed up with other players to block free flows of recordings, defending their property, shooting arrows at the pirates. Fast forward, no pauses, no playtime allowed. Streaming it shall be. It has only one owner, and it flows. It cannot be recorded or nor captured. Ownership belongs to a few. Yet, you might think you own something, but those stacks of private recordings remain idle. Worthless childhood memories. Analog matters equals nostalgia. Only to become forgotten abbreviations. VHS, LP, CD. You can transfer them to the digital world. Your material equals waste. Turn them into new abbreviations. JPEG, MPEG, NSA. Clouds matter. Share your belongings with Google, Microsoft, Apple, and an incidental 16-year-old. What do you have to hide anyway? Use Snapchat if you do not want to be saved, or show yourself in Instagram empires. Get appropriated by Princess. WhatsApp? Codec and tapes are dead. Digital life, that is the real life. Meanwhile, you are being recorded. Who's playing? Rec Play is about our recordings, analog recordings that have become digital over time, and new automated recordings in our homes and around us. Guarded by our privacy rights, guarded by digital codes. White barriers of paper symbolize these guards. It's there, it's visible, yet you cannot see it. Take down the barriers, infiltrate the digital codes, infiltrate the privacy within the digital recordings, and press play.